item and add 10 drops of water and shake well. Add a foodstuff, 10 drops of water and shake it well. Add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution. This is before only we are preparing in a prepared yesterday how the copper sulfate preparation that I already told you. Add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution and 10 drops of caustic soda and 10 drops of caustic soda. Shake it well. How the protein test done means you have to take a given quantity of the food stuff, that is make it paste. The given food stuff make it paste. Foodstuff make it paste. Add in a test tube and 10 drops of water and shake it well. 2 drops of copper sulfate solution and again 10 drops of caustic soda and shake it well. You have if a violet color appearance. If a violet color appearance means the given foodstuff contain protein. Protein is present. If the violet color is not appearance means the protein is absent. Understand? If the violet color is present means protein is present. If the violet color present means protein is present. If the violet color not present means protein is absent. Next one is test for fats. We already test protein test, carbohydrate test. Next one is the last is the test for the fats. How we have to do that? We have to test the given food stuff is contain fat or not. Right? For that purpose, we have to do one test. How to do the test for a fat? Take a small quantity of food. Take a small quantity of food. Wrap it in a paper. Understand? Take a small quantity of food stuff. Wrap it in a paper and crush it. Wrap it in a paper and crush it. Wrap it in a paper and crush it. Take the paper out. Understand? Take a given food stuff and wrap it in a paper and crush it and take the food stuff out slowly and observe that paper near to the sunlight. Observe paper near the sunlight and if paper have oily patch means the given food stuff contain fat. That means fat is present. Understand? You have to take a given food stuff in a paper, fold the paper and crush it and afterwards we have to remove the food item and observe the paper near the sunlight. The paper becomes oily patch. The paper looks oily patch means the fat is present in the given food stuff. Understand? Test for components of food. For the food components, carbohydrate, protein and fat. We have to do the carbohydrate. We already done the carbohydrate test, protein test and fat test. How the carbohydrate test then? You have to take a small quantity of the food stuff and add dilute iodine solution. Shake it well. If the black blue color appearance means the given food stuff contain carbohydrate. Understand? The black blue color bantu andre maatra carbohydrate ide anta. Second is protein test. You have to take a given food stuff and make it paste. Add in a test tube. Afterwards add 10 drops of water and dilute copper sulfate solution. Plus shake well and again we have to add caustic soda. If violet color is present means the given food stuff contain protein. Last one is fat. You have to take a small quantity of food stuff in a paper, wrap it, crush it and afterwards you have to observe near the sunlight. If violet patch is present means the given stuff contain what? Fat. Understand? This is the how we have to test the food stuffs. How we have to test the food stuff. There are 3 tests. Carbohydrate we done. Carbohydrate test, protein test